Are you looking to give your bedroom a fresh new look? One of the easiest ways to transform the atmosphere of a room is by changing the wall color. If you're not sure where to start, consider incorporating one of these 9 trending bedroom colors. From bold, statement-making hues to calming, soothing shades, there is something for every style. 1. Soft blue and white. This color combination creates a peaceful and serene atmosphere in a bedroom. The soft blue hue is calming and adds a touch of elegance to the space, while the crisp white keeps it feeling fresh and clean. Use white for the bedding and walls, and add pops of soft blue with accent pillows and artwork. The blue color brings a sense of tranquility, while the white adds a clean and fresh feeling to the space. Paint the walls a soft blue shade, like a pale sky blue or a muted powder blue. You can also add white trim to the room to create a crisp contrast. This combination works well with natural wood furnishings and metallic accents. 2. Pale pink and gray. This combination is perfect for those who want a romantic and feminine touch in their bedroom. The pale pink adds a soft and playful vibe, while the gray helps to ground the space and keep it from feeling too sweet. Use gray for the walls and bedding, and add pops of pale pink with throw pillows, blankets, and artwork. This combination works well with silver or gold accents and natural wood furnishings. Choose gray bedding and add some pink accents with throw pillows or a pink duvet cover. The combination of these 2 colors will create a harmonious and balanced look. Gray furniture, such as a dresser or nightstand, will also complement the theme. 3. Rich navy and soft gold. This combination adds a touch of glamour and sophistication to a bedroom. The deep navy creates a sense of drama and elegance, while the soft gold adds a hint of luxury. Use navy for the walls and add gold accents through artwork, throw pillows, and other decor items. This combination works well with white or cream furnishings and metallic accents. Both navy and gold are classic colors that have timeless appeal. They are always in style and can easily be incorporated into any design scheme. The combination of a deep, dark color like navy with a softer, lighter color like gold creates a balanced and harmonious look. 4. Light green and natural wood tones. This combination brings a sense of nature and tranquility into a bedroom. The light green adds a fresh and calming touch, while the natural wood tones add warmth and a connection to the outdoors. Use wood for the furnishings and light green for the walls and accents. This combination works well with white or cream accents and natural fiber textiles such as linen or cotton. Bring some life to the room, include some plants. They will not only add a connection to nature, but also purify the air and bring a touch of greenery to the space. 5. Deep red and black. This bold combination is perfect for those who want to make a statement in their bedroom. The rich red adds passion and drama, while the black keeps the space grounded and chic. Use black for the walls and furnishings, and add pops of deep red with accent pillows, artwork, and other decor items. Consider adding black accents through the use of black furniture, such as a bed frame, nightstands, and a dresser. For bedding, choose a black comforter or duvet cover, and add some deep red throw pillows for pops of color. This combination works well with metallic accents and natural wood furnishings. 6. Warm yellow and calming green. This combination brings a sense of cheer and tranquility to a bedroom. The warm yellow adds a sunny and positive vibe, while the calming green helps to create a restful atmosphere. Start by choosing a warm, buttery yellow paint color for the walls. A shade like sunflower or daffodil would work well. Accessorize with yellow and green accents, such as a green area rug and yellow and green decorative objects on the nightstands. Use green for the walls and yellow for the accents, such as throw pillows and artwork. This should create a cohesive, calming bedroom with a warm yellow and calming green color scheme. 7. Earthy brown and forest green. This combination brings a sense of the great outdoors into a bedroom. The rich earth tones of the brown add warmth and coziness, while the forest green adds a refreshing touch of nature. Use brown for the furnishings and green for the walls and accents. This combination works well with white or cream accents and natural fiber textiles such as linen or cotton. Hang some nature-inspired art on the walls, such as botanical prints or landscape paintings, to bring the color scheme together. To add some warmth and texture to the room, consider incorporating natural materials, such as wood or wicker, into the design. 8. Soft purple and silver. This combination adds a touch of regality and sophistication to a bedroom. The soft purple adds a sense of luxury and elegance, while the silver adds a hint of glamour. Use purple for the walls and accents, and add pops of silver with decor items such as artwork and throw pillows. Choose a soft muted shade of purple for the walls. A lavender or plum color would work well. Accessorize with purple and silver accents, such as a silver area rug and purple and silver decorative objects on the nightstands. This combination works well with black or white furnishings and metallic accents. 9. Crisp white and black. White and black, this classic combination creates a clean and modern look in a bedroom. The crisp white keeps the space feeling fresh and open, while the black adds a touch of drama and sophistication. Use white for the walls and bedding, and add pops of black with accent pillows, artwork, and other decor items. Black and white bedroom ideas are a brave choice for any modern scheme. This type of interior can also appear flat, if you don't introduce texture and subtle tonal variety. But put together carefully, it's a great way to add drama and style to a modern bedroom.